This crystal can help you fall asleep easy, and it's definitely helped me. But before I share with you my special crystal that I use to help me fall asleep, I want you guys to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your community. We're building a community of light, and I'm so grateful to know all of you. Okay, and now here's the crystal. This is an amethyst, and it is one of my favorite crystals of all in the mineral kingdom. It has many different uses, one of those being anxiety, for calm and for peace. You might wear it around your neck, or it's a piece of jewelry. I like to put this by my bedside. Sometimes I'll have it touching my forehead or on my skin to help me sleep. People don't know is that amethyst is really good for sleep. It can help you have a really good, peaceful night's sleep. So what I like to do is put it by my bedside. Sometimes I'll literally put it on my forehead for a few minutes before I fall asleep. And I also send the intention out energetically to my angels, to my spirit guides, just the energies around me, to also grant me a peaceful, restful night's sleep along with my amethyst. However you decide to do it is up to you. Lots of people use their crystals in a lot of different ways, and if you don't believe in angels, and that is also okay. What matters is it's the intention that you infuse your crystals with. It's the intention that you have before you go to bed, and because we work out a lot of things in our sleep. So aside from that, one also important thing that I want to mention is that you maybe set an intention for how you'd like to wake up in the morning. And that can prompt your sleep to be really peaceful sleep prior to the sleep that is about to occur in sleepation. All right, everyone, enjoy your crystal. Hopefully this is a helpful tip for you guys to help you sleep. And yeah, leave a comment below, like this video, share it with the community. We are building a community of light. Thanks, everybody. See you in the next video.